Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In this episode, I am going to be connecting you to the spirit world during your sleep state. Don't worry, you can watch this during the day. I don't expect you to watch this before bed. However, what I would say to each and every one of you, there is a reason why we are doing the video in this format. There is going to be no video. We want you to absorb the words more than a visual aid. This video is going to help each and every one of you to be able to connect on a mediumistic level during a sleep state. That being said, you are going to be working with the spirit world during your sleep after this video. I would love to know down in the comment section the lovely, interesting experiences that you have and also some of the lessons that you learn. One of the things that you've got to remember, if there's something that for example, if you watch this video and it doesn't work first time, don't fall into the typical human being mindset and think you can't do this. There is something wrong with you. There is nothing wrong with you at all. Mankind have told you there's something wrong with you, but the problem is what you have to realize. Mediumship is a beautiful process. It is also a frustrating one. Nothing comes to us easy in this life, and anything that is easy, then it's not worth having. One of the things that I would say to each and every one of you before doing this video is listen to my every words. I'm going to be structuring this with spirit, and we're going to be saying specific words, and at points I'm going to ask you to repeat these words. It's about me helping you to not understand your own potential, but foremost to help you to see that you are good enough to work alongside with spirit, and for spirit to acknowledge that you are wanting to work with them. This is probably, I don't know if this has been done before. It probably has at some point. But what I will say to each and every one of you, this is going to open a lot of doors to you, because a lot of you are already stepping into the world of spirit. You already got your little toe dibbling in that, metaphorically speaking, the swimming pool of spirit, and you're dipping your little toe into the water. A lot of you aren't even at that pool. You know when you are, but you want to be near the pool. Some of you are already swimming, but you just don't know how to connect and you need clarification. Well, in a sleep state, it is going to be one of the most simplest and easiest ways for you to be able to gain information via the spirit world. Also, easier for the spirit world to be able to give you the vital information that you need to help you to pursue your mediumistic path. What I'm going to ask each and every one of you to do, whilst I'm going to be playing music and whilst you're probably going to hear, it isn't a meditation by no stretch of the imagination. This is basically, it's a free way, Spirit are saying it's a free way commitment. This is my commitment to you, this is your commitment to Spirit, and this is your commitment to yourself on a mediumistic level. By watching this video, it's going to confirm to you that this is the path that you want. This is, I should have probably said at the beginning, I think this is going to be episode number 13 of the How to Become a Medium series, a series in which I will guarantee each and every one of you that if you watch these videos from the start to finish, you will become a medium. That being said, if you are that 1% who you have issues and you have problems and you don't know the answers and you don't want to watch these videos, the problem with that is I can't, you are like a jigsaw piece to me. That jigsaw piece, however, a jigsaw when it's complete is a beautiful image. It's appeasing on the eye. It's beautiful. It gives you that joy, that satisfaction that you want, need, and desire. The problem is you aren't that jigsaw piece at this moment in time. You aren't the jigsaw. You have been some. You know, I would go as far as saying it was partially built, the image, and then somebody's come along, a little toe rag's come along, and just kicked all of the pieces all over. It's my job and Spirit's job to rebuild you and to put you into the correct order. Therefore, bringing that beautiful image back to life once again, giving you everything that you could possibly need. Now that I've got all of that out of the way, what we are going to do now is I would like you to repeat after me. I do not have any fear towards the spirit world or the realms, because I have a good understanding. My understanding is there to serve me. Next, what I would like you to do is to say this after me. I accept the spirit world in the realms into my mediumistic practices. I would like to feel the energy of spirit. I would like to feel their source flowing through my very veins. Give me the abilities, and more importantly, allow me to tap into my mediumistic senses. You have now just welcomed the spirit world and realms into your world. You have said it out loud. If you've missed something, then replay this video. That there, what you've just said there, is the most important stages, because you are working with my energies, you are working with the spirit world and the realms. This isn't a game. If you are wanting to become an authentic medium and an effective medium, more importantly, then we need to be very, I've got to stress, whilst I say the realms, don't worry about the realms. I work with both energies. By working with both energies, they are going to be able to assist you more during these times, getting two energy for the price of one, so to speak. And yes, don't worry about the realms. You all know the realms aren't there to harm you. It's not like what mankind have betrayed. We need to get you out of that fear. If there's any of you at any point who haven't said what I've said, or you feel any bit of fear, don't follow through with this video. Please don't follow through with this video, because this video is going to help you to connect. But if you have any fear towards the spirit world and realms, unfortunately there is something lacking in your understanding, and I can't get this exercise to work for you, and that's not my fault. It's not spirit's fault. Unfortunately, it's your own fault, because you haven't absorbed something from this channel. We have plenty of understandings and plenty of teachings to help each and every one of you along your divine spiritual path. If you haven't watched these videos from episode 1, I would recommend you go back to that. And if you are fine with everything I've said, well, let's continue. We've now given the spirit world and the realms the permission to come into our worlds to guide us, to aid us, to give us an engineer, more importantly, the energy for us to be able to decode in a sleep-like state. This isn't for the conscious waking mind. This isn't for when you are going through. Yes, we are going to be learning mediumistically, but the course is going to show you how to connect mediumistically when you are awake. This is because I can get you to connect quicker by working with the spirit world in your sleep. Now what I would like you to repeat after me is, I give the spirit world the permission to work with me during my sleep state. I will document this journey in a dream journal. Each and every one of you, what I want you to start doing now, from after watching this video, by the time it's finished, I need you all to keep a dream journal. A dream journal is so important to you now, because this is the start of a new chapter to you. We say it all of the time, we've got all of the videos, we've got all of this, but the fact that you have watched to this part tells me you are bloody serious about becoming a medium. And the spirit world and the realms are going to do everything that they can to get you the understandings during your sleep, to show you exactly what I'm showing you. They're going to give you a crash course. You're effectively going to be having your hand taken and given a crash course with the spirit world. But for this to work, you need to document the journey, my friends. You need to make sure that you are documenting, because I can guarantee you, everything that you've experienced so far when it comes to mediumship in your connection, you might think you've got a strong connection. You're going to bloody have a strong connection now. Seriously, every one of you. Every one of you now in your sleep states, since you've given Spirit permission, since you've followed through with this video, since you have put your trust, more importantly, into the spirit world and realms, they are going to bend over backwards for each and every one of you. Know that this is the start of a new you. This is the start of your journey. This is where you are going to step into your power and you are going to start speaking your truth. You now understand that you are not just worthy of the title of becoming a medium, you are destined to become a medium. You now are where you needed to be in your life. There is nothing going to get in your way. There is nothing going to stop you. This is where you are meant to be in these moments, and find comfort with that. Know that you have found your life purpose. You are going to be a great medium. You have a beautiful soul. You have the intent, the purpose, the just cause to be able to help mankind, to be able to heal, to bring an end to the suffering and the tyranny of mankind, to stop with the ludicrous notions, to help mankind not to fear the spirit and the world and the realms. You have now been entrusted. The spirit world and the realms are trusting you with their message. The help, heal, serve message will go on, and it is being followed by each and every one of you. It's going to be carried into the night. You, my friends, are at the forefront of this message, and together with the spirit world, each and every one of us are going to be that difference. Each and every one of us are going to make the difference, and more importantly, you, my friend, have found your soul purpose. This is what you are here to do. This is why you are put on this planet. You have found your just cause, the cause that you have been searching for the entirety of your life. This is where you are meant to be. This is your family. We at Help Heal Serve are one big family. There is nothing going to stop us. Spirit got very passionate there. I would like each and every one of you, well, first of all, would like to say a big massive thank you to each and every one of you. This journey isn't going to be easy by any stretch of the imagination, but you are on the right path. You have taken the right. This was destined to be you. This video is the beginning of you, and you need to see it. Whilst yes, you might have watched all of the other videos, that's cool, that's great. But this, my friends, where you are actually reaffirming what I've asked you to say, this is where we are now handing over to the spirit world and realms. And again, if there's any of you that don't want to do that, please watch the channel. That's all I'm going to say. I don't need to know in the comments why you don't want to, because I know the reason why you don't want to. There is a lack of understanding. I get it. Some of you might not believe in the things I believe in. That's fully... But look at the evidence I can bring forward. Look at the connection that I have. Surely you can see from that we are here for each and every one of you. I come in front of the camera and I make videos after videos after videos. Not because I love being on camera, not because it's what... Yes, I do enjoy it. Not going to lie. I enjoy working with spirit. I enjoy the thrill. I enjoy not knowing what's coming next. But what you've got to realise is, when it comes to working alongside a spirit, this is now time for you to take ownership of your life, where you want it to go, where you want it to be. Do you want to become a medium? Ask yourself this question. Do you want to become a medium? If the answer to that, my friend, is yes, then we need to look at why you are scared. Because remember, you have to protect from poor understandings and bad teachings. Not from the spirit world. A good understanding will supersede the notion to protect. And to any one of you who are scared of working with the realms, remember, the reason why I ask you to welcome the realms into your world, they won't be interested in you unless you want them. It's literally the energies I work with. I'm not scared, I'm not shy. I'm not going to turn me back on the energies that I work with. I know that I can get you twice as quick to become a medium by working with both of those energies. They will work for me. They work for me. They will give you what you need. They're not going to, honestly, don't worry about anything. But I think what we're going to do now is, I've mentioned there, keep a dream journal. I know I've getting quite passionate there, but Spirit really come through and they really prevailed in everything that they wanted to say there. So I hope you all understand and appreciate why the spirit world thought that this would be a good idea to do a video. Rather than being through the day where you're absorbing that information, doing a video at night. This video, watch this before you go to sleep. And last but not least, what we would like you to say before you go to sleep every night. Now this is every night, and say it when you wake up. You are good enough. You are great. You are a medium. Repeat that every morning, every night. That, my friends, is your gateway to the spirit world. Let me know in the comment section what happens in your dreams. I'm fascinated to know. Keep a dream journal. You don't have to tell where everything and every night, because there's going to be loads of different things that happen. Keep a dream journal and keep it personal and a journey for yourself. Keep up the good work, everyone. And if you did like this video, remember, you just know what to do. Check out the videos pinned at the top left and right. And if you haven't subscribed, then I don't know why not. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you to all of the channel members. Appreciate you so much. And until the next time, bye bye for now.